Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a plastic bottle, cut it from the between and then take a yellow color paper, paste it around the plastic bottle like this. Now take a pink color paper, fold it and cut it out in the shape of a leaf. Now paste it by drawing the lines over it on the sides of the plastic bottle. Overlap it with few more lines of papers. Now paste the green color paper in the same manner. Now spread the petals of the flower and put a light in the between and your lotus is ready. Next, we'll be making a Christmas tree. So take a paper, fold it like this after cutting it to make a cone. Now put a stick in the between like this using a glue gun. Now we'll be making it stand like this using the glue gun. Put the stick over the stand. Now we'll be applying the double-sided tape over the cone and then take the leaves like this. Cut them and paste them and overlap it like this. Now decorate it with the balls and clay balls. Make a bow on the top and it's ready. Next, take a blue color paper and put them together. Now put the yellow paper in the between of it like this by zigzagging shape and then fix it with the stapler on the sides like this to make a boat. Now take the yellow color paper in the same manner, collect them all and paste them like this on the top and put a stapler pin like this and make a butterfly on the top and your boat is ready. Next, we'll be taking a paper cup, cut it from the top and cut it into frills like this from the sides. Now after cutting it, spread it like this. Now after spreading it, we'll be rolling it like this. Roll each petals of the flowers like this. Now after that, we'll be making the eyes, nose and mouth of it. Make it stems and leaves using the green color paper like this. Fold it and make a stick, paste them together and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking a green color paper, cut out in the shape of a leaf like this and then we'll be folding it little bit like this to make the creases on the leaf as shown in the video. Keep folding it as we are folding here and keep opening it like this as shown in the video. Press it carefully as we are pressing it and then draw the lines like this. Fold it carefully and then we have to press it little bit like this and then keep pressing it. Now open the leaf and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be making the scarf for a teddy bear. So, take a wooden cardboard sheet and then paste the thread on the back of it and then roll it one by one. Keep rolling it like this. Now, take another color thread and put it in the between. So, as we make the mat, in the same manner, we have to put the woolen or this stitches one by one like this. Now, cut it from the back and you will get a shape like this and then fix it from the ends. Tie it like this and it's ready. Next, so take a paper, fold it like this and then cut it out like this in a flower shape. Now paste it over the blue sheet and draw the lines like this on the sides and cut it out. Now after that, fold it and paste it inside the blue paper like this. Cut the white part in the smaller section. Now write it as per your choice and make the wheels of the car. Make its windows and it's ready. Next, we'll be making this beautiful swan. So first, we'll be making a white sheet and cut it like this after drawing the lines on it and give the frills like this. Now after that, we'll be pasting the double-sided tape on the inside and then paste it like this. Now color it from the top, make its eyes and spread it little bit like this by making a heart-like shape from the downside and fix it like this. And it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.